Fleer Ultra Midnight Suns, Medallions Acetate ePack Exclusive. A great solution for too many base medallions when set building, the Upper Deck ePack site offered a combine to make a new and unique medallion for collectors. Printed on acetate stock and using different comic-sourced art, you could earn one of these for combining 10 of the same base medallion while still on ePack. Images selected here are top-notch, and this really stands out as one of the great ePack achievements.